Welcome to SimplyStreetBikes.com. Today we've got a 2007 Yamaha YZF-R6. This bike has right around 17,500 miles on it and is still in excellent condition. It's had a light tip over on the right hand side, plus it's got some nice accessories on it. So let's take our walk around it. I'll show you what I found and then we'll fire it up. Bike comes with a tinted windscreen. Service has put a new front tire on this bike. Comes with adjustable levers, flush mount front blinkers, tank pad, triple tree cover, a carbon fiber tail, fender eliminator, integrated tail, and it also has the blinking brake light. So, back tire's in excellent condition. Got plenty of miles left on that. Battery tender lead. Again, tank pad. Adjustable levers. HIDs. Flush mount front signals. So the damage I found, some scraping here on the edge of the mirror, front brake lever, and bar end. So like I said, pretty minimal, but the bike has tipped over. Pretty lightweight though. So 17,442 is what's on it. Go grab the front brake for me. Thank you. So that's got that brake flash on it. This 07 R6 has gone through our pre-sale inspection. Will also come with our 30-day 1,000-mile limited warranty. And as long as you own this rocket from us, you will get a discount on your parts, your labor, and of course your accessories. Thank you for shopping. SimplyStreetBikes.com.